So apparently Mojang decided to release an update on a Monday. But oh well, obviously Wurst Client has already been updated to Minecraft Java Edition 1.21.7, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get it. So to get it, you want to head over to wurstclient.net, which is their official website. This will be linked down in the description below, together actually with my Discord server, where you can find many more clients just like this one. Anyways, here on their website, you want to click on Download Wurst, and then on Wurst for Minecraft 1.21.7. Here you want to choose the latest available version, although in my case, as you can see, there is only one. Anyways, once you've chosen that, you want to scroll down, and then under the download section, obviously, for Minecraft 1.21.7, we can click on this button, and our download will start automatically. Now, it's important that you also download the Fabric API, which you can do by clicking on this white button next to it, because that is also needed. As you were probably able to tell by the fact that you had to download the Fabric API, you do actually need the Fabric loader installed for Minecraft 1.21.7 to be able to use this. If you don't have this yet, or you're not sure where to get it, then I will link this down in the description below. Anyways, for now, as you can see, I have the Fabric API as well as Wurst Client in my downloads. So we just want to place these in the mods folder. To get there, press on the Windows and R buttons at the same time, and then in the box that pops up, type in app data. Then you want to go into the folder called roaming.minecraft, and then you might need to scroll down a little until you find the mods folder. Simply drag both of these in there, and once you've done that, you're good to go. You can close up that, open up the Minecraft launcher, and launch Fabric for Minecraft 1.21.7. Now here we've loaded up Minecraft 1.21.7 Fabric, and I'll just briefly head into a single player world and show you guys how to use this. Now if you're looking for a full in-depth tutorial on how to use Wurst Client, then I actually have made one of those, and I will link that right down in the description below. Anyways, right now I'm just going to be showing you how to get started. If you're looking for extra information, remember you can also find a lot of it on their website. Anyways, to open up the Click GUI area, you can simply press on the right shift button on your keyboard, and that is going to open up this area right over here. This basically contains all of the utilities that Wurst Client has to offer. As you can see, there is quite a lot of them. You can click on these to turn them on, click on them once again to turn them off, and you can actually click on these arrow things right over there, and that'll give you a drop down, well, not a drop, this is a complete customization menu with, as you can see, quite a lot of customizations. One of the important things that almost all of these customization menus have is the option to set a keybind. As you can see right over here, at the top of these, you'll also get the type of utility as well as a description helping you understand exactly what it does. Anyways, you'll actually also get that description if you hover over these. For the rest, it should all be pretty self-explanatory. There is a lot of utilities. So yeah, I definitely recommend that you just check this out yourself. Play around with it. Anyways, if you scroll down a little, you'll see that some of these utilities start with the dot, and the alphabetical sorting starts again. All the ones that start with a dot are commands, and in the chat over here, you can actually type .help in for, well, the first page of many. That'll list out these commands right over here. Commands just add extra functionality directly through the chat. If you're not sure how to use some of the commands, or if you're not sure what they do, just come back to here. You can hover above these for the description of what it does, as well as the syntax on how to use it, which is pretty neat. Anyways, scrolling down even further is going to bring you to some of the more general utilities right down here. This includes Zoom, the Wurst logo, which you can see up here, and you can actually manage that to not show on your screen. So now, as you can see, my screen is completely clean, except you can of course still access Wurst Client, so a lot of people do like to do that. Anyways, for the rest, there's also a few other useful things over here, like the hack list, keybinds manager, and stuff like that. Anyways, what's actually also down here is the tab GUI, which will also show up on your screen right over there. It's an alternative to this area, and that actually allows you to, well, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate the Click GUI area, and you can actually do that whilst moving around. So some people prefer that. I'll just turn it off for right now though. And there is actually a third alternative to the Quick GUI 2. Instead of the right shift button, you can press the right control button, and that'll bring up one of the more generic Quick GUIs. This looks like the one that you might have seen in other clients as well, with everything just ordered in a different way, except that I believe you won't be able to find the commands in this one. They are only accessible through here. Anyways, finally, on the escape menu, you'll also find a worst options button that has some managers, links of theirs, as well as some more general settings. Anyways, right now though, that was basically that. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I do of course hope to see you all again in the next one. Bye-bye.